Okay, here's question 10. Question 10, on the face of it, looks like it's something to do with angles, ratio. Certainly you've got to put our answers in degrees, but really this is a question about algebra. It's a forming an equation using the rules of ratio and angles in shapes to be able to solve a question that is giving us a lot of information. We want to work out the angles of the things in question. So now that's not to say this can't be done in other ways, and you could do this question by guessing some numbers and seeing if they worked until you get one that fits. But the things you've got to know are that all the angles in a quadrilateral, all these four angles, will add up to 360 degrees. We are also told that D is a right angle. Let me just rub that out. D is a right angle, so we know that is 90. So we know A plus B plus C is going to be 270 because D is at 90 degrees, so 90 plus 270 is 360. Now, here's where the algebra comes in. If we start with the angle A, and I call the angle A, well, I should call it A, and the angles A and B are in the ratio 1 to 2. That means the angle B is twice as big as angle A because it's 1 to 2. So if that's A, angle B is actually going to be 2A. Then we're told that angle C is 30 degrees more than angle B, so C is 2A, because that's what B is, plus 30. So we've got these three angles, A, 2A, and 2A plus 30, and they add up to 270 degrees. And that's the crux of this question. So we need to add up the A's. We get 5A plus the 30 equals 270. Take away 30 from both sides, so we get 5A equals 240. Divide by 5 on both sides. 5A divided by 5 is 8, that's why we divide by 5, and 240 divided by 5, and a good way to divide by 5 with big numbers. So divide by 10 to get 24, and then double it because it's going to be twice as big. So that's 48. We could use the calculator. So A is 48, B is twice A, so it's going to be 96, and C is twice A plus 30, so that's 126. We should really check this if we had a calculator handy, which we should do on this exam. We should check this adds up to 270, and then plus 90 is 360. All equations can be checked by putting the numbers back in to see if they work, and you should do that on an exam. There you go, 4 marks.